Guys, I want to first thank our subscribers, the returning subscribers, the new subscribers. We really appreciate you, and we always pray for you. May the Lord bless you, may the Lord enlarge you, may the Lord protect you, may the Lord shield you together with your family. We don't take it for granted, guys. We really appreciate you. Guys, these are the good news. The haters are finally banned in the fire. Oh my God. This woman knows how to put haters down. She knows how to put them in their place. I tell you guys, I was so happy, I was so overjoyed just to see Dee Mwango had gone back to Jamaica, met Kino, talked, because remember that the haters were always saying they have collided with the Kino, they are separated with the Kino, they are not in good terms with the Kino, a lot of rubbish. But I was so happy to see Dee Mwango back with the Kino, back with the Coco Girl, back with Esther, and to top it all with Shane. You know, these haters had actually spread rumors that Shane was not in good terms with Dee Mwango. They were actually talking about it and talking about how Dee Mwango faked their air ticket for Shane. They went ahead and demonized her, talked about how fake she is, how Araya she is. Their headings were full of exaggerated titles, how Dee Mwango had lied. But she has come with a boom to prove them wrong. Do you know, guys, this is the greatest surprise of the year. Shane, Dee Mwango arrived in Jamaica, took Shane. Shane was so overjoyed. Shane was so happy. Shane was so surprised. And he entered the airplane for the first time. What a joy. What a blessing. Do you know this is why the haters keep on hating and this woman keep on rising high and high and high? Because the person who is blessed by God cannot be cursed. And it is so surprising that the same haters that were saying Shane was ashamed, Shane is this and this, Shane is this and this, they saw it during the day, not at night, guys. Dee Mwango paying for Shane, going with him in the airport, boarding an aeroplane and going to Trinidad. Is it Trinidad or Trinidad? Maybe you can tell me the spelling if I am wrong. I was so overjoyed because sometimes these haters can be too much. They can exaggerate something until everybody is actually in social media shouting and believing all the shenanigans they are saying. Imagine. People had come to believe that Dee Mwango conned Shane. Some of them, I could see the comment section full of hatred, full of abuses, full of so much anger. But we thank God, it has come to be. Shane has finally entered an aeroplane and he has gone with Dee Mwango to Trinidad. And therefore the haters have nothing to say now. And right now they implement another story because they are never tired of implementing stories. And we have seen it clearly how Shane is happy. He was actually telling Dee Mwango, I thought I was still in Jamaica because everybody in Trinidad knows me. We are going to see Shane rising from one glory to the other. Because let me tell you, patience is a virtue. You have to be patient. If Shane was not patient, he would have been carried away by a lot of negativity that was going around the social media. A lot of negative YouTubers coming there with different headings were even calling Shane Dee Mwango's boyfriend. Can you see how shameless these people can be? They cannot stop hating. They cannot stop talking negative. But without God, they have been proved wrong. Dee Mwango has actually put them to shame. She has silenced them. And that is the best silence they have ever experienced. I hope they have nothing to talk about from now henceforth. Because they have seen this was not a fake story. It was the truth, but there is nothing Dee Mwango would have done for the ticket. And she has proved them wrong. She has taken Shane to Trinidad. And Shane was epic. He was so happy. He was so overjoyed. For the first time in his life, he entered a plane. Do you know what it means for someone who has never entered a plane? That is the greatest surprise one can get. And therefore, we really wish Dee Mwango a lot of blessings, that she may continue to touch many souls. Do you know, guys, these haters also went ahead and said that Dee Mwango was sent out of Jamaica. Let me ask you guys, can Jamaicans send Dee Mwango away? The love the Jamaicans have for Dee Mwango, they can never, ever send her away. They cannot even dream sending her away. Dee Mwango was the first person to arrive in Jamaica and teach us about the positivity of Jamaica, the positive things in Jamaica, the positive people, the good people, the beautiful city of Kingston, the beautiful city of Ochoria, the beautiful city around Jamaica. And therefore, Jamaicans love Dee Mwango without pretense. They defend her with all their beings. And when Jamaicans laugh, you can never twist them. When Jamaicans laugh, you can never change them. When Jamaicans laugh, they laugh in reality. That is what I have come to know, guys. Because all the negativity spread in social media, none of the Jamaicans changed their mind towards Dee Mwango. And actually, I could see them in the comment section saying, Dee cannot lie. Dee will act within a short time. And for sure, they knew. When Jamaicans choose to love you, nothing will come between their love and you. And I really thank them for that virtue. They love in reality. And they loved this woman with all their heart, with all their souls. And no amount of hatred can make them change their minds. And therefore, you people, you are dreaming. You people, you are the ones who are liars. You people, you are the ones full of hatred. You people, you are the ones full of envy. You people, you are the ones full of jealousy. You people, you are the ones who are actually filled with whatever you are talking about. Because Jamaicans can never send Dee Mwango away. And they give you reasons why Jamaicans love Dee Mwango. And because she has proved to them every day, every hour, the kind of a person she is, they can never send her away. So continue dreaming, continue imagining, continue making up prize, continue doing your shenanigans, but Jamaicans will continue to show love to Dee Mwango. Remember that Dee Mwango, the first place she called home, she still calls Jamaica home, was Jamaica, because of the love she was shown by the people, the kindness she was shown by the people. We have seen it with Kino, with Esther, with the people who are there in Trenchtown. And she specifically chose to stay in Trenchtown because people in Trenchtown love her. People in Kingston love her. And we have seen it clearly. You guys, you don't even learn from the videos that Dee Mwango has portrayed to us. Dee Mwango went to tax. The people that hosted her there were Jamaicans. What are you saying? Jamaicans in abroad, Jamaicans in Jamaica, Jamaicans in the islands that surround Jamaica love Dee Mwango with a passion. And it is so clear. The person who was taking Dee Mwango in tax takers in Cayman Island was a Jamaican. Do you think these people can go to an extent? Actually, in tax takers, we saw that the Jamaican family that were actually hosting her gave her a massage, a treatment. These people have a genuine love for Dee Mwango, and they are ready to host her. They are ready to take her out. They are ready to have her. And this is the kind of love that cannot change easily. Wherever she goes, she meets Jamaicans who are ready to host her, who are ready to take her out, who are ready to have her and defend her. We saw that family defending Dee Mwango from the haters who are just throwing abuses to them. So, it is very, very funny to say that Jamaicans sent Dee Mwango away. That can never happen even in your dreams. So stop dreaming and come to reality and agree that this woman is blessed. You can actually advise her positive criticism, but not that negativity. That is so bad to an extent of calling her words. What has she done? Like she was telling you, it is her money. She can decide to sponsor someone or not to. Why are you so bitter? Why are you full of anger towards this woman? And I told you, this is a young woman. She needs to grow. She needs to make her family. Why are you destroying her every time by talking lies? By talking a lot of negativity towards her? That is not fair. So, you have seen the tingle. So, what do you say now? What are you going to tell us now? Can you now silent and forever and never talk? Because she has shown you that she's not a liar. She's not fake. She's not what you have called her. So can you keep silent now and let her be? Let her continue with her work. Let her do what she knows best. And she has continued to go higher and higher. The more you hate on her, the more blessings come on her. Because God is with her. And to make the matters worse, in Trinidad, is it Trinidad? You're going to tell us if it is Trinidad. She met Chris Mast List. She also met Coco Girl. A reunion of these YouTubers. A reunion that we have never seen. And I'm sure they are having a good time. They are enjoying their time in Trinidad. With the Christmas trees, with the Coco Girl, what are you saying? These people are blessed. And therefore, even if we talk so much, or you talk so much on the negative side of their lives, you are doing nothing. Because they are blessed, and whomever God has blessed is blessed. Guys, I think today I'll have a very, very short video, because I just wanted to talk about Dee Mwango and what people are saying about her, and a lot of lies that have been spread about her, and we have seen it clearly. She has finally taken Shane on a trip, and that is what all of us wanted. Shane to be happy, Shane to show the people that he did not get ashamed. Rather, what he was promised has come to be. And therefore, there is nothing to talk about. There is nothing to attack Dee Mwango with, because we have all seen it happening. So, I will stop at that. I see you next time when we meet again. Be blessed.